Perform this exercise lying on your back. Flex your hips and bring your knees towards your chest to a comfortable end of range position. Hold this pressure to perform the stretch. If you are unable to fully relax your neck and shoulders, use a towel to assist the stretch position. When performed correctly, you should feel a gentle stretch through your lower back and gluteal region.